Hey guys, we just finished recording questions over coffee and I thought this would be a good time to kind of do an impromptu EDC video challenge. So we'd like to see what's in your pockets right now, and I'm going to do that. This is what I typically carry in my pockets. I get a lot of crap when I lay out a nice old EDC photo of like, that's not really in your pockets. Like, I'm wearing jeans. This is literally what I have in my pockets right now. So nothing has been added because this is actively what I'm carrying. I did, however, take my keys out because I know how easy it is to copy a key online, and I'm not going to let you guys copy my keys. So this is actively what's in my pockets, and I'll go through some of this stuff too. Yeah, so I don't have my gun on me. I'm typically carrying appendix, but I went into a federal building this morning. It's in my bag, but I would have that too. So one of our EDC Trauma Kits is what I carry. I carry one of these knock notebooks. I just started a new one. If you've ever heard our Gear Tasting Radio podcast, you know how I utilize this. I'm carrying a TI bolt pen with a Schmidt refill, Streamlight ProTac 2L, very cool flashlight I like. And also starting to use the Benchmade bug out a lot more and carrying that. I do really like the blade and the way that it opens and closes. I also have one of these screw pop tools just for my EDC blade. If you've kind of read my article on why you shouldn't use your defensive knife to open boxes, that's why I use one of those. 4 quarters in case I need to make a call. Rob gave me crap about that before. Carry a small Bic lighter, one of our Ready Balms, cash, of course, iPhone, and wallet. So I've been trying to downsize what I carry in a wallet, and I've tried my best to get down to a specific number of cards, but considering the fact that I do business transactions and personal transactions, I wind up with way too many cards in my wallet, even though I'm trying to slim it down. I've been trying different variations of card sleeve wallets, and this is what I'm on right now. This is a Dunhill wallet. I'm trying to go with a blue theme, as you can see here. But anyway, I feel that this is pretty good. It's not exactly what I like. I do like that you can open the inside of this and get to things. I like to kind of keep receipts folded up in my wallet too, so this is kind of a quick access for that. I've used card sleeves where you can open the top like this, and my problem with that is that you kind of lose things and you can never access them, so I kind of like that openness of this. So I'm still experimenting with what wallet to use. Always carry cash with me a little bit. I typically don't have a lot of cash on me. I'm like a pizza delivery driver. I don't carry more than probably 50 bucks in cash typically, but I like to have something in case I need it. I use a flashlight constantly, so I have kind of a regular interval I change the 123 batteries at. And then, yeah, everything is pretty self-explanatory, and that's what I carry on a regular basis. I mean, you can also add this stuff into, this is our memorial bracelet. I always wear a wedding ring, and I always typically have a watch of some kind. Right now, I am wearing the GPT-1. It's from CountyCom. Well, they're the company that carries it. I don't know if they're the actual manufacturer. It might be Meritac, I believe. But I like it. I'm running a NATO band on it, and I really like this watch. Then I have a belt on, just a regular leather belt. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What's in your pockets?